everybody, welcome back to DN EduQuest, where we learn English through real life topics. Today I am going to tell you some secrets that I follow in my English learning journey. So, you know what? I always incorporate certain things into my life in order to become a fluent English speaker within a certain time period. So, first one is that reading practice. Reading practice is very important. So which are the books I read nowadays? That is what I want to show you guys today. First one is that Sudha Murthy's The Magic of the Lost Temple. Magic of the Lost Temple. This book is written by Sudha Murthy, and this book is very helpful for beginners. If you are a beginner, then this book is highly recommendable. Because this book has what I can say, simple language. Everybody can understand this language. So this book is highly recommendable. She used simple language in her books. So this is what that. And next is that Atomic Habits. Atomic Habit. This is new to my collections, and still I didn't started to read this book. And I will start tomorrow onwards this book, because I have to read completely that book, The Magic of the Lost Temple. Then I will start to read this book. And this book is written by James Clear, and this is also highly recommendable. Everybody recommends this book. And next is that One Day Life Will Change. One Day Life Will Change. This book also helpful for beginners, and this book is also written in simple English language. It is written by Sharanya Umakantan. And next is that the same author, Sudha Murthy. This one is also very important or simple for beginners. Sudha Murthy's The Upside Down King. So this is also helpful for beginners. So these are the collections do I have. Now I will read all this book, and after that I will purchase more and more books in order to become fluent English speaker, as well as to enlarge my brain, to broaden my horizon. So if you are a beginner, you also have to do the same. You have to pick simple language books and read it again and again, and each and every book you have to read at least 5 times. If you read a book once, this is not enough. You have to read the same book at least 5 times. So if you do so, your basement in this particular language will be strong. So this is what I wanted to share with you. So if you like this video, please give it a share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.